What's up guys, Sananalo. Today I'm teaching about notes ka C-sharp. C-sharp notes goes like this, okay? Use 179 itonia kucime touch button. That's it. Okay. The notes goes like this, okay? Okay, ngizoqala ngishaye isandla sa right and left, okay? 1. Press 3 each time. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 2, number 3, 3, sorry, 3, number 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, left hand. Okay, hamba kanje. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. C-sharp notes and upaswakon. This is the first thing that you need to learn. First thing you need to learn more from the keyboard. Again, slower. 1, 2. Take a screenshot of video if you are like struggling. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 9. That's it, guys. Subscribe to your channel. Click the notification icon. That's it, guys. Check F sharp, no A flat. Thanks, guys. Sharp.